Hi guys, this is Prompt Engineer, and in this video we are going to continue the series or the podcast called MOJO Let's Learn that we have started a few days ago. Now check out these videos to get an understanding of the MOJO programming language and the type of contents that we have covered. But for this presentation, for this video, we're going to look at FN for function declarations. Now, as you know, MOJO is a new programming language that is for the system programmers and it is developed for the AI developers. MOJO claims to be about 35,000 times faster than Python. That is really good. And so I have created this podcast where we can learn more about MOJO. MOJO claims to be a superset of Python. It has all the capabilities of Python. It has a speed of C that making it a preferable language in the future perhaps. Let's move on. Let's continue our job of learning this new programming language. In this video today, we are going to look at FN. But if you don't have access to the playground, you can go to the MOJO website, request for a playground, and you get a message like this. So let's get started with the playground. Here we have this hello world file. So let's look at this file. We have already covered a few of the topics. Please check out the videos in the description or in this playlist for understanding to get an understanding of the Latin var declarations, struct types, which is comparable to classes, and strong type checking, loaded functions. In today's video, we'll look at the FN definitions or function definitions. Now, to begin with, let's take a closer look at the def statement in Python. Now, when we say def or define in MOJO, def is designed to be a highly dynamic, flexible, and compatible with Python. Just like in Python, it is a superset, therefore it adapts the def as well. It allows mutable arguments. The def allows mutable arguments, implicit declaration of local variables, and lacks strict scoping enforcement. Now these characteristics make def excellent for high-level programming tasks and scripting. However, they may not always meet the needs of system programmers who desire more control and predictability. Now let's look at the FN declarations, which acts as a strict mode for def in MOJO programming language. While FN and def are interchangeable at an interface level, the key difference lies in the level of control and limitations imposed within the function body. Firstly, FN enforces immutability for argument values within the function body, similar to the behavior of let in let and var declarations. Please have a look at this video to understand the let and var declarations. This prevents accidental mutations and allows the use of non-copyable types as arguments. Now, secondly, unlike defs, FN requires type specification for argument values, except for the special case of self in a method. This catches accidental omission of type specification, ensuring more robust code. Additionally, a missing return type specifier is interpreted as returning none instead of an unknown return type, further enhancing the code clarity. Thirdly, FN disables the implicit declaration of local variables, meaning that all locales must be explicitly declared. This catches name typos and aligns with the scoping provided by the let and var declarations in MOJO language. Lastly, while both def and FN support raising exceptions, in FN there must be explicitly declared with the raises function effect placed after the function's argument list. This allows for precise error handling and improving code readability. It is important to note that from an interface level, both def and FN provides the same functionality, and there is nothing that def can do that FN cannot, and vice versa. The difference lies in the level of strictness and control within the function body, because MOJO programming language has been developed for the AI developers, and we want very fast action and processing. Therefore, this is when we increase the strictness and control within the function, it increases the speed. It is also worth mentioning that if desired, one can explicitly declare the FN to return objects, thereby opting into the behavior of def and relaxing some of the limitations imposed by FN. So there we have it. We explored the difference between def and FN in MOJO programming language. While def offers flexibility, in summary, FN acts as a stricter alternative, providing more control and predictability for system programmers. Remember, both these constructs have their merits and can be used interchangeably at an interface level. Thanks for joining me today. In the next video, we are going to look at the copy init and the move init special methods. As always, like, share this video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Check out other videos on my channel. So that's it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.